All right, let me tell you about the Gadget Rum Club because honestly, it's about time someone stirred up the world with something as brilliantly unconventional as this. I mean, think about it. Where else are you going to find a wild fusion of the latest mind blowing gadgets with the rich, velvety world of fine rum? Nowhere. That's where. And who's at the helm of this ship? Yours truly, FocusDan. Picture this. You walk into a room and bam! You're hit with the most incredible array of gadgets you've ever seen. We're talking about AI that'll make your head spin. Gadgets so smart they practically read your thoughts. And just when your brain is about to melt from all that techie goodness, there's the rum. Oh, the rum. It's not just any rum. We're talking about a liquid journey through history. Each bottle is like a time machine, whisking you away to the far-off lands with every sip. And let's not forget the people. You've got tech geeks who can't stop babbling about the latest device side by side with rum aficionados who can tell you the life story of every bottle. The debates, the discussions, it's like a battleground of passion and knowledge, and it's absolutely electrifying. But here's the thing, it's not just about gadgets or rum. No, it's about the experience, the adventure. It's about challenging the norm, breaking down barriers. Why can't a tech enthusiast appreciate a fine-aged spirit? Why can't a rum lover geek out over the latest smartwatch? At the Gadget Rum Club, that's not just a possibility, it's the norm. So if you're tired of the same old, if you're craving something that shakes up your senses and blows your mind, welcome to the club. The Gadget Rum Club is more than just a meeting of interests. It's a revolution, a celebration of progress, and a toast to the timeless. It's where the future meets the past. And let me tell you, the future has never tasted so good. So come on in, take a seat, and let's raise a glass of the extraordinary, to gadgets, to rum, and to the incredible journey that brings them all together. Cheers!